The eufy Smart Lock E330 offers a 3-in-1 security solution by combining a fingerprint recognition lock, a high-definition camera, and a video doorbell, ensuring comprehensive protection for your home. With 5 different unlocking methods, including fingerprint, app control, voice assistant, keypad, and keys, this smart lock provides versatile access options for ultimate convenience. The built-in camera offers 2,000-pixel high-definition with an f/1.6 lens, delivering clear visibility even in low-light conditions, so you always know who is at your door. You can manage the lock remotely from anywhere using the eufy Security app, allowing you to monitor activity and grant access to visitors with ease. The smart lock features a powerful 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery that powers all its functions, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements. Installation is straightforward and quick, taking only about 15 minutes, and the product comes with an 18-month protection plan backed by responsive customer service.